Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily sign a PDF document using Microsoft Edge. It's a straightforward process that can save you time and effort. To begin, simply open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then, find the PDF file you need to sign, right-click on it, and select Open With, choosing Microsoft Edge from the available options. This will open your document directly within the browser, ready for the next steps. Now that your PDF is open, let's find the tools you'll need to sign it. Look towards the top of your Microsoft Edge window for the toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a pen. This is your Draw tool. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options to choose your desired pen color and adjust the line thickness. This allows you to customize your signature's appearance before you begin. It's time to add your signature. With the drawing tool selected, use your mouse or a digital stylus to carefully draw your signature directly onto the document. If you need more precision, feel free to zoom in on the PDF. Don't worry if you make a mistake. There's an erase tool available right next to the draw tool. Just click it to correct any errors and try again until you're satisfied. Once your signature is perfectly placed, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save icon, usually represented by a floppy disk, in the top toolbar and click it. You'll then have the option to either save over the original PDF or save it as a new file, which is often a good idea. Make sure to confirm your preferred save location and give your signed document a clear file name.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.